Good morning, Scratch Kitchen. How are y'all doing after the week we had? Oh, what a week. Um, I'm just gonna review like two cookbooks I picked up over the week. One is this here. Now these are some very traditional Amish canning recipes. I say that because in the back, the last chapter, um, Laura talks about how her family water bath cans for 3 hours soups and things that are low acidic foods. Now, she even addresses the fact that using the pressure canner is the preferred method. What she doesn't address is the fact that it is not recommended to put pasta through any kind of canning. You and I simply do not have the ability to get the machines to cattail what? Like I said, the machines to pressure can stuff like soups, tamales, and anything like that safely. Now we do have the pressure cans that can do meats and other low acid vegetables. So, with that said, if you get this book, just understand now. Other than that, the pictures are quite beautiful. They are well done, well positioned. Now she has something here called sweet kosher dill pickles. I would love to try that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would love to try that. Like a sweet dill pickles. And I'll show you that one. Then we're gonna move on to the next book. Next one. I've been wanting this book for so long because Jeffrey Eisner does the Pressure Luck channel on YouTube. He's got a site as well, and he has helped me learn how to seriously use my pressure cooker without the fear. And this is his mac and cheese that he does in the Insta Pot. Does that not look good or what? That looks delicious. It gives you a step-by-step. You see here, each step photographed, and you got your classic marinara sauce, and it shows what it's going to look like in the end, how to go through it. Now the whole book is set up like that. It's very beautifully photographed, and the explanations are spot on. He just really put a lot of time into this book, doing each step for pictures. Alright, that's that. He's got it divided up, and also how to do rice. Oh my god. You can do so much rice in your Insta Pot. It's amazing. But you gotta make sure you get the your rice per liquid right. It's 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Or liquid, whatever. Broth, whatever you use. Anyway, that's it. I am going to go over to Kroger in a little bit and get a bag of lettuce, a potato, because I came across the version of Poor Man's Feast from the Depression era. It is so delicious. It's so delicious. And I am going to share it with you a little bit later. I will see you guys later.